I've known Senator Moran for a very long time. We grew up in the same county in western Kansas, and he was a great guy then, and he's a great guy today. Here's what I know. Our state is better because of Senator Moran. He truly cares for the citizens of this state.
There's a parallel between what we see our mission and I think what Senator Moran sees his mission. He is so committed to this state, and we are the beneficiary as a healthcare provider for that commitment, because there's not an issue that we can't go to Jerry about.
It makes me so proud. Every Kansan, every Kansas Cityan can be proud of the success that this hospital has. Not just in Kansas City, but across our state.
It's not easy being a United States Senator in America right now. So if you're going to be good at it, you have to first have an unquestioned amount of integrity. And we have an unbelievable example of that in Kansas. And it's United States Senator Jerry Moran.
He's a wonderful human being. He's a great husband, a great father, a great friend, a great family member, and he cares. He cares deeply. He's a great elected official. He paid close attention when we got spun off in 1998.
I was in the state legislature as we began the change to a private, not state-owned and operated hospital. I watched the personnel changes that have occurred here, and along the way, I've seen so much progress. What's the solution?
When you go talk about very specific things that are super detailed and complicated, it's just in a minute he's up to speed and gets the key issues, and so that's what is really great about his ability to find the most important things to raise and to focus on and have his team focus on for us.
He's always cared deeply about what's happened here, and you see that translate into his interest in what goes on here.
Jerry knows how important healthcare is to our state. I think that's another reason he's been so connected to our place, because we're focusing on that as well. We certainly want to improve the health of Kansans.
It's not always as simple as what's the healthcare issue. There are political issues in those communities, but at the end of the day, we both have a common vision.
We have this top-rated, high-quality healthcare delivery system in Kansas City. It makes a world of difference for our ability to attract and retain people and to care for those who are here.
Jerry has been an untired advocate for what we're doing here at the University of Kansas Health System. Just take organ allocation, for example. We need someone who will fight for this.
Part of that is the understanding that those organs are going to be available for your family, your friends and neighbors, people within your community.
He's got 1,000 things on his plate, I'm sure, but he knows this is a big issue. And he knows how important it is, not just to the University of Kansas Health System, but to Kansans.
I will continue to work to protect our hospitals, our doctors, and particularly our patients.
We're fully engaged in trying to make certain different decisions are made, reverse bad decisions that have been made, and make certain that when a Kansan or a Missourian donate one of their organs, it will go to somebody who lives in the neighborhood.
He's not ever been bashful about how important that is, and has been recruiting some of his friends on the Hill to join that effort and be more active. And that's been really important to us as a hospital and as a transplant community.
I think for those patients and the staff that work in that critical area, knowing that there's people that are influential, that one, understand the issue, two, care, and three, continue to try to do something about it, means the world to all of us.
Senator Moran is really a great candidate for our Catalyst Award because of the continued and long-term interest he's taken, not just in the health of our organization and what's important to us, but also just the improved health of Kansans.
Senator Moran has been a catalyst for us on really just his embracing the issues that we face as a healthcare provider. And he's probably done more than we're even aware of.
When he gets involved, things happen. I think that's a great example of a catalyst. When he jumps in, he works tirelessly to make the right things happen. That's a catalyst.
Clearly, I'm honored by this. It is somebody else who's made this possible for me. It is really all the people here who've educated me and I've worked beside that have allowed me to do things on behalf of the hospital. So while I'm pleased to be recognized in this way, I'm a Kansan who we do everything we can to pass off a compliment. I suppose the answer to what I'm supposed to say is just thank you.